first thing to do is look at the area to make sure you like where you're going to put that post. Then, let's dig the hole. I dug down about 18 inches and then put my post in the ground to see if I like the height. Next, I used a level to make sure I put the post straight, upright in the ground. Then I put some rocks in the bottom of the hole, and then I used the whole bag of concrete. Next, I used the water hose to activate the quick-setting concrete and water down the area. I wanted the post to match my fence, so I stained it the same color. Next, I used a pen to mark the holes where I needed to attach the hose holder. Next, we are going to use the drill to attach the screws. I used the screws that came with the hose holder. I realized that I could not get the drill to get the screws flush with the post. So I had to use a regular screwdriver to finish the job and get it so that the hose holder was flush with the post. All done. What do you think? Are you ready to make your own hose stand? Stay tuned for more do-it-yourself videos and other projects around your yard.